Hi children, how are you? In the last classes we had discussed about some national parks in India. Okay, we had completed nearly 50 national parks. We have to complete those 50 national parks, memorize and keep it in mind. Okay, and do assignments also compulsorily. Do assignments and send to your prescribed class teacher. Then coming to our next topic, today we are going to discuss about important international days. I divide this session into two classes. That means I divide into international days separately and national days separately for our convenience. Okay, in order to reduce confusion, I divided this days session into international days separate and the national days. First we will discuss important internal days. See children, if you observe, we have total 365 days in a year. That means every day has its specification. That means sometimes same day has two or more days also they are celebrating. That means nearly we have to study 500 to 600 days are there to memorize and keep it in mind. Practically it is impossible to memorize 500 to 600 days in our minds. That's why for the exam point of view, okay, for our competitive examination point of view, I segregated most important 60 days. Okay, 60 days, not 16, 60 days as our important international days. Compulsorily damn sure in that 60 days only we will get multiple choice for our examination purpose. Okay, that's why today we will learn first 15 international days, most important international days. And before going to tell about these international dates, important international days, first of all we need to know who are giving these dates. Okay, who are giving, why we have to celebrate 4th January as World Braille Day. Like this, who are giving this international days means who are recognizing this day as this important day means United Nations. Okay, United Nations Organization. Okay, this is the organization which is established in order to maintain peace between all countries in the world. Okay, this organization maintaining peace. Okay, if any disputes coming between different nations also, this organization will handle those disputes. Okay, this organization allotting these days as important international days. Okay, don't forget this. Okay, this will comes under one of our syllabus in GK portion, international organizations chapter. We will discuss about this United Nations organization in international organizations chapter briefly. Okay, next coming to first one is World Braille Day. See children, we have discussed in EVS classes what is meant by Braille system. Okay, Braille system definitions we have learnt. Know that World Braille Day is celebrated in 4th January. Okay, I segregated these days according to months. Okay, now according to months I segregated these important international days in order to memorize. Okay, no need of by heading. You just go through the month and in that month which is important day. then it will become easy to memorize. Okay, see, World Braille Day. Braille is a system used for blind people in order to read and learn and also write. Okay, this is discovered by Braille. He is from France, the person from France who is a blind person from the country France. Okay, this person invented this Braille system. Okay, World Braille Day is we are celebrating on 4th January. Okay, then International Day of Education. International Day of Education. There is one day which we are celebrating it as International Day of Education, that is 24th January. Okay, then pulses, you know pulses, Appadinsulu. Okay, World Pulses Day we are celebrating on 10th February. Okay children, 10th February. Then coming to World Cancer Day. Okay, cancer is a disease, we all know cancer. Okay, cancer, it is in 4 stages. Okay, first stage, second stage, third stage and also 4th stage. If person affect with 4th stage means we can't survive that person. Okay, that person is not going to survive. If up to 3 stages we can medicate that person and there is a chance that person to sustain life to some more months. But if the person is affecting in 4th stage means, okay, that is severe stage, we can't survive that person. World Cancer Day is celebrated on 4th February. Okay, 4th February. Okay, in January only 2 international important days are there, World Braille Day and International Day of Education. In February, see, World Pulses Day, then World Cancer Day. Then coming to see International Day of Women and Girls in Science. Okay, here I am not saying about International Day of Women, or not Women's Day. This is Women and Girls in Science only. Okay, in science. Okay, those who are working for science and technology, women and girls in science only, that is 11th February. Okay, 11th February. Then World Radio Day. Everybody know about radio. In olden days every home has radio. Nowadays there is no radios. In our mobile phones only radio will comes. World Radio Day we are celebrating on 13th February. Okay, 13th February. Then World Wildlife Day. In our EVS subject we had discussed what are domestic animals and what are wild animals. Okay, are you remembering the topics? Yes, that World Wildlife Day is celebrated on 3rd of the March. 3rd March we are celebrating World Wildlife Day. Okay, Wild Animals Life Day. Then here International Women's Day. Okay, don't confuse. Here International Day of Women and Girls in Science. Here International Women's Day. This is most important. So many times asked in examination. International Women's Day. 8th March. Okay, in February there are 4 important international days. World Pulses Day, World Cancer Day, International Day of Women and Girls in Science, then World Radio Day. Then in March, World Wildlife Day, International Women's Day. Then World Sparrow Day. Okay, sparrow is a bird. We all know in environmental science subject we discussed about birds and animals. Sparrow. Okay, World Sparrow Day, 20th March. Okay, why they are celebrating Sparrow Day? Because sparrow is the basic balancing the ecosystem. Okay, the chain of ecosystem balanced by the bird sparrow. If sparrow is not there means ecosystem will becomes imbalanced and climatic conditions also varies in our country. That means rainfall also affect with that climatic conditions. That's why it's very important to recognize the birds, and we have to celebrate one day in order to memorize, in order to keep it in mind about the harmfulness or effect of the imbalances of ecosystem. That's why we are celebrating Sparrow Day on 20th March. Coming to forest, forest also, the topic forest also we discussed in EVS subject. International Day of Forest we are celebrating in 21st March. See here, in order to memorize 21, 22, 23, 24. See, forest means we are trees are there. Okay, for trees growing means for that trees we are pouring water. Okay, na water. See, World Water Day 22nd March. Okay, continuation. World International Day of Forest we are celebrating 21st March. The next day, second day, 22nd is what is useful for this trees? Water. That water day is celebrating on 22nd March. Then see, World Meteorological Day. See, this is also continuation. Meteorological means we are calling this in Telugu as Prakruti. Okay, this see Prakruti, meteorological means the study of this total nature. Study of nature is called meteorology. Okay, World Meteorological Day we are celebrating in 23rd March. Then TB, tuberculosis means TB. Okay, TB. This World Tuberculosis TB Day was celebrating on 24th March. Then World Kidney Day. Okay, one of the organ of our body, Kidney Day we are celebrating on the month of March. Okay, in this March, one special Thursday they are announcing as World Kidney Day. Okay, there is no specific date for this World Kidney Day. On the month of March, special Thursday, okay, they are announcing the World Kidney Day as International Day. Who? United Nations Organization. Okay, one more time I am revising. See, World Braille Day, 4th January. International Day of Education. International Day of Education on 24th January. And World Pulses Day on 10th February. See, after January, February. Okay, 10th February. World Cancer Day, 4th February. Then International Day of Women and Girls in Science. Okay, in science is different and International Women's Day is different. This is International Day of Women and Girls in Science. Okay, science రంగంలో మాత్రమే ఇది సపరేట్. అదేవిధంగా ఓన్లీ ఉమెన్స్ డే సపరేట్. సైన్స్ రంగంలో ఉన్న ఉమెన్ అండ్ గర్ల్స్ డేని మనము 11th ఫిబ్రవరి జరుపుకుంటాము. తర్వాత ఓన్లీ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఉమెన్స్ డేని 8th మార్చ్ జరుపుకుంటాం. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ రేడియో డే, వరల్డ్ రేడియో డే 13th ఫిబ్రవరి. దెన్ వరల్డ్ వైల్డ్ లైఫ్ డే 3rd మార్చ్. ఓకే. దెన్ వరల్డ్ స్పారో డే 20th మార్చ్. ఇంటర్నేషనల్ డే ఆఫ్ ఫారెస్ట్ 21st మార్చ్. The next day 22nd March is World Water Day. 23rd March World Meteorological Day and 24th March World TB Day. TB means tuberculosis. Then World Kidney Day, one of the special Thursday on the month of March. Special Thursday. Any Thursday they will announce about this World Kidney Day. This is first 15 important international days. Remaining we will discuss in next class. Children, pause this video and write every international day and keep it in mind. Don't by heart, just memorize according to months, it will become easy. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. We will meet in next class.